When you are out here, the elements gift you with the most astonishing scenery. But don't let it fool you. Here, nature is the one in control. Everything can change in the blink of an eye. The wind out here can be brutal. So brutal, it almost got the best of me. And even that didn't change my relationship with it. I've always been fascinated by the wind. You can't see it, but it makes itself visible. You can't touch it, but it makes you feel it. It's so natural and yet so magical. When I first saw someone riding the waves of the wind, I was mesmerized. Using this power given to us, letting it pull you forward. I knew it wasn't going to be easy. It's a waiting game. Getting up early in the morning, hoping for a gust of wind that may never arrive. You have to know where you're going. Make sure your kite is prepped and in the best condition it can be. And most importantly, make sure you're all charged up and ready to go. Because when you least expect it, the opportunity might present itself. And you better be ready for it. Hardangervidda is one of the best and most unique places on the earth for kiting. It's so rough and raw, whilst being so damn pretty. But it's a total chaos out there. Winds blowing over 40 meters per second. It requires all 100% of my focus. In a weird way, I see it as a meditation. There's no room for thoughts. It calms me down, relaxes me. And I never expected it, but I feel the same while driving the Nio.